In this video, I'll guide you through how to add homepage links on Substack. These are the links that appear right on your publication's main page, and they're a great way to highlight important pages, resources, or external sites you want your readers to visit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this feature and how to customize it so your homepage looks organized and professional. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account and head to the dashboard for the publication you want to edit. Make sure you're in the right publication if you manage more than one, because the changes you're about to make will apply only to the current one. Once you're on your Substack dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Today, I'll show you how to find the settings that control your homepage. In that left menu, click on Settings. This is where all of your core controls live, like publication details, payments, and design options. After Settings opens, I'm going to walk you through how to find the exact area for homepage links. Within the Settings section, look for the option labeled Website. Go ahead and click Website. This is where Substack groups everything related to how your publication looks and behaves on the web. On the website settings page, scroll until you see a section called Homepage Links. This is the area that controls the links that appear on your main publication page. I'll show you the easiest way to start editing them. In the Homepage Links section, click the Edit button. This will open a panel or page where you can see your existing links, if you have any, and add new ones. Now that the editor is open, look for a button that says Add Link. Click Add Link to create a new homepage link. Think of each link as a small card or item that can point readers to something important, maybe your main website, a Start Here guide, a shop, or a social profile. When the new link form appears, you'll be asked to fill in a few fields. Start by entering the URL. This is the full web address you want people to visit when they click the link. Make sure you paste or type the correct address, including the HTTPS part, so the link works properly. Next, you'll see an option to select a group. Groups help you organize multiple links into sections on your homepage, so related links sit together. For example, you might have one group for key reading guides and another group for external resources. Choose an existing group from the list, or, if Substack allows, create a new group name that clearly describes the category. Keeping your groups tidy will make your homepage easier for readers to navigate. Then, add a title for your link. This is the main text people will see, so keep it short, clear, and descriptive. Under that, you can add a subtitle. The subtitle is optional, but it's a good place to give a bit more context, like who the link is for or what someone will find when they click. Once everything looks good and you've checked for typos, click Add Link to save it. After saving, your new link will appear in the list of homepage links and, depending on your theme, should show up on your live homepage almost immediately. If needed, you can return to this same homepage links area anytime to add more links, edit existing ones, or rearrange them so your most important resources are always front and center for your readers.